Ah, hey guys. Yeah, so we got updates. I'm gonna take you into the apartment. The electrician and the plumber and the drywaller and the contractor. They all did some work. Well, we got a new threshold that got installed right off the bat. So that's all cured, I think. And we're gonna have to there's a sweep that got to get installed over there. We have the updated cans here. Oh, that's operational. The drywall's in the way over there. There's a three-way switch here. Water for the fridge. Fridge is gonna go here. Range, microwave with the vent up here. Venting directly outside so your fumes don't stay in here. And updated cabinetry, of course, is gonna go all in here. New window, because this is just a piece of plexiglass. Go figure. So not much, thermal activation, right? Thermal barrier right there. So that'll be a big improvement over there. We're cutting costs here by doing the American Craftsman series because kids need new cleats. Ethan's feet are growing tremendously. Oh yeah, this is an upgraded three-way switch for that stuff. This switch, oh yeah, it's disconnected over there. The contractor's gonna get to putting those up. These are 10 footers, by the way, to go up here. We'll just smack them up, and I believe the contractor said that's 10 foot on that one right there, on that floor joist. So this will go up pretty quick once he gets back to business. And that'll be all covered up. Laundry is all squared away, pretty much. You just have to have the gas guy come to run a gas line in here, and gas operated units. Electric installed in here. Direct vent instead of the way it used to be, because it used to be laundry was over in the kitchen, which is not cool. So now we have the laundry here. That'll get all mudded up proper out there, and we can still see this stuff. I think the electrician's gonna install we got the vanity moved back up against the wall, switch and outlet to operate over there. We have it vented outside. That wasn't vented at all. Terrible. So now it's vented outside. I didn't want to go all the way through the roof because that would have been a nightmare. I mean, the plumber said that would be a nightmare. We doubled up on the bath fan because that was just vented into that open space. From here to here, that extra little studding that you see, that was just a void. It was nothing. So, yeah. So that's all extra ceiling height, make it seem larger and bigger, which it is. And there's your shower unit. I'm gonna do the fancy stuff. Gonna go down to the local cool tile place down there. Best Tile's the name of it. Get the Weedy system, W-E-D-I. And get the drain system that's up towards the the front here, I guess. And we'll get that all sorted out with the plumber. The water is on right now, so it's all not leaking, right? Got it super high up, you know, so giants don't have to get, you know, hunched down. You know, terrible for taller people. You short people wouldn't understand, but water, you know, the toilet's gonna be where the toilet was before. The plumber didn't have to adjust that, and it's just gonna get screwed down fine. But we're still gonna leave that where it is to support the existing vent system, cast iron. Didn't want to tear that out. That would have been a mess. So I'm thinking we're gonna do tile throughout the whole floor. So I'm gonna, after all mudding's done and everything, we'll come in with 3/4 plywood and put it all down here on the floor. And there were a little bit of mods to do upstairs. Not much. The HVAC guy secured the wall monitor and the wall furnace. That's all secured to the wall now. We don't have to worry about it. That's all rugged. You know, the tag said needs to be secured, so it is now good to go, and it's all operational. New fancy lights, so just had to delete it on the old register for it used to be a furnace system, so need a filler piece. That'll be fine. Filler piece over here, that'll be fine. Fresh paint on this side and filler. And the electrician did add a light over here. I can't reach that pull string, or pull chain, but we'll extend it down, you know, right in this vicinity, because it would have cost more money to, you know, have a switch, you know, route it wherever outside. We got to save on materials, you know, and labor, because you know, getting sued, getting the lawyer fees, and kids need new cleats, kids going to college. Oh yeah, we'll get the electrician over here too. There's another one that can go there, so I'll find a cheap light and have the electrician install that over there. And the new fella coming in here will be pretty pleased, I think. We'll get this all cleaned up and nice. But yeah, that's the updates. So it should be, yeah, we could update that too. Make it not look so the way it is. Yeah, it's coming along.